In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed web pages in Google Sites. If you want to display content from another website directly inside your Google site, the good news is that Google Sites makes this process very simple. Embedding a web page can be useful if you want visitors to view external content without leaving your site. And once you know where the option is, it only takes a moment to set up. To get started, open your Google site and go to the page where you want the web page embed to appear. Make sure you're in edit mode so you can add and arrange content on the page. This is important because the embed tool is only available while you're actively editing the site. Once you're on your site, look over to the panel on the right-hand side of the screen. In that panel, click on the embed option. This is the feature that allows you to add content from outside sources into your Google site. If you've used Google Sites before, you may have seen other insert options here as well, but for a web page, embed is the one you need. After the embed window opens, select the By URL tab. Google Sites usually gives you more than one way to embed content, and choosing By URL tells the platform that you want to pull in a linked web page using its direct link. This is the best option when you already have the page address ready to go. Now, paste the link of the web page you want to embed into the URL field. Be sure to paste the full and correct link so Google Sites can recognize it properly. If the page supports embedding, you should be able to continue without any issues. If it doesn't load as expected, that may be due to restrictions on the source website rather than a problem with Google Sites itself. Once the link is in place, click Insert. Google Sites will add the embedded web page to your site page, and from there you can position it where you want and adjust the size to better fit your layout. It's a good idea to preview how it looks so you can make sure the embedded content appears clearly and works well for your visitors. And that's all it takes to embed web pages in Google Sites. Open your site, choose Embed, switch to By URL, paste the page link, and click Insert. It's a quick and effective way to make your site more interactive and useful without sending people somewhere else.